Saturday the 16th of April 2022. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News. In a minute, let's get cracking. And the timer starts. Now, Universal Studios Hollywood are getting 4 electric trams, and they have plans in place to replace the whole of their 21 trams in their tram fleet. Walt Disney World has announced that ESON the Searcher will be the main villain of the upcoming Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind ride at Epcot. Disneyland Resort has announced World of Color, which is coming back next week, is going to use a virtual queue. The queue line is going to open through the app at noon. Europa Park has opened early for its summer season this week with a special exclusive event for refugees from the Ukrainian war. There is a rumour of the new name of the Avengers Campus retheme of the Rock and Rollercoaster at Disneyland Paris Resort. It's apparently going to be called Avengers Assemble Flight Force. Jumanji the Adventure opened at Gardaland in Italy this week. The Lego Ferrari Build and Race Experience at Legoland San Diego is going to open on the 12th of May. It was announced this week. That's it for this week's Theme Park News. In a minute, we'll be back next week with some more Theme Park News, so tune in for that. In the meantime, you can check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut, Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, cheers.